Miss me?
I've had this swimsuit for years and I've just never like worn. But then this is also very fun. This like green leopard. Okay, so I finished packing up my, honestly I don't have an 8 pair. What's up guys? So in today's video I decided that I wanted to vlog for you guys. I kind of wanted to do like a little day in my life video. So last year I made a video like prepping for my beach trip, and this year I kind of wanted to do like the same type of video as well as just, I don't know, like vlog the day. So it's basically like the video that I did last year, but like with the day in my life vlog added to it, if that makes sense. I basically wanted to show you guys me packing for my vacation that I'm going to go on. I got a bunch of new organization like packing items. I got a new sunglasses holder and I also got a new jewelry organizer for like packing. This right here is my lovely suitcase that has not been unpacked since my last trip. Went on my last trip 3 weeks ago and she's still not unpacked, so so like we need to unpack this. Does anyone else like hate unpacking? Like I truly, oh, it's just a plant. I really, quite frankly, just simply hate unpacking, and so I usually just keep all the stuff from my trips in the suitcase for months if I have to. It don't really matter. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the suitcase, and now I'm going to make it all disappear. There we have it, guys. She is all empty, and by empty I mean I threw everything over there. Okay, anyways, so there's actually a lot of items from my last beach vacation that I just never wore. I never got the chance to wear, and so some of the things we're going to be bringing. So here are some of the outfits that I had from my last trip that I literally just like never did anything with. We have an orange dress. We have this like green little like velvet swimsuit. It's so pretty. I'm so sad that I never got a picture in it, but I'm going to. I have this angel dress that I've literally had since March. I was supposed to wear this in Miami. Miami trip got canceled. Now we're in October and I'm hopefully gonna wear it now. And then this little like blue swimsuit I thought would just be really cute with like that little white mesh shirt on top of it. This one, I've had this for forever, never taken a picture, never worn it. I cannot wait. Cute little two-piece set. I'm gonna try these on so you guys can kind of like get like the vibe of what they look like to see like if we even want to bring them. I have so much more over here that we're going to be, you know, like going through. I don't know what I want to bring. Like I want to get like my bright colors out of the way, but then like I kind of like, I don't know, I've been really into dark colors, but I should save them for the fall. This is my swimsuit drawer right here. I have a bunch of swimsuits, so we're also going to go through here and I'm going to pick some of them and then bring them as well, because I think I want to bring at least like 2 more swimsuits. Before we try on clothes and all that stuff, I wanted to do like a little face mask. I don't know, I just like want my skin to be very, very hydrated and nice and pretty for when I go to the beach, because I'm going to try and wear not as much makeup at the beach. Okay, you guys, we have made it to the bathroom, so now we're going to apply our mask. Today we're going to be using the Teami Beauty Butterfly Mask. I'm so excited for this. You guys already know I've worked with Teami in the past with their detox mask. I really, really like it. I have literally 2 containers of it. So now we add this one to our collection. This is a restore and rejuvenating mask. So, you know, it's just going to give a lot of hydration and all that stuff to your skin. I love this. It makes my skin so soft. I'm so excited to apply this. Here's my boring, dry, dull skin before. Now we're going to apply the mask. I have no idea where my mask spatula is, and so recently I've been using a spoon, which a lot of you guys may think is really funny. The spoon is like extremely cold, because you know spoons are just cold, and so it like just feels really nice. My skin has been extremely dry recently, and so this has really been helping like keeping it moisturized. I'm gonna go sit, chill, relax for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back. Okay, you guys, so we're back. This is what the mask looks like dried on my skin. What I really like about this mask is it doesn't feel like drying. It just feels soft. Like the mask literally just feels soft on my skin. This is what my skin looks like after. She literally looks glowing. She looks so glowy, so hydrated. My face basically just feels so smooth, so hydrated, so soft. So I'm just gonna show you guys kind of again what the mask looks like. It is just this blue color, very velvety, very just silky. It's just that calming blue color. It's very like fruity, floral, clean smelling, if that makes sense. That's basically like how I would describe the scent. So like I said, you guys can use my code Madi15 to get 15% off this mask. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend it. If you guys have tried this before, let me know in the comments down below. So I made my skin feel nice. Now it's time to make my body feel nice. We're gonna make a smoothie. Got the ingredients. I got my frozen fruit. I got the orange juice, We have my little smoothie maker. We're also going to be using the Teamy Beauty Butterfly Collagen. You know, we're on this Teamy Beauty Butterfly Collagen kick today, you know. This is what it looks like right here. It's so cute, you guys. It is this really just pretty, like, lavender color. Like, oh my god. If you have absolutely no idea what this collagen is, it's a collagen that is a great source of amino acids. It just helps promote your hair growth, your skin look beautiful, healthy nails. Like, it's all the things that, you know, we all want. It's bioavailable, so it's easy to digest in your system. Non-GMO, wild-caught marine collagen in this. So we have butterfly flower, acai berry. Super excited. It's so good. So we're gonna stick this in the smoothie. I personally just like to take this because, you know, I don't really ever take vitamins. I don't. When I throw all the things that I need just into a smoothie to, like, you know, just make my body very amazing, it's just a lot more convenient than taking a bunch of vitamin pills. So this right here into a smoothie has just been the way that I've been getting my vitamins recently. Y'all already know the drill. I got this. This is so cute. It's a Teamy portable smoothie maker. I guess I've never seen this. It's on the Teamy website. I've done a video on it. I love it. It's amazing. So let's make our smoothie, you guys. I have this right here. It's peaches, mango, strawberries, and pineapples. We're going to take our Beauty Butterfly Collagen, really pretty purple color. We're just gonna put it on a little scooper. We have a scoop. Dip that right into there. Some orange juice. Sis, I ain't got no ice. Got the ice. She ain't gonna fit over. How do I like... So we got our Teamy Mix It. I'm gonna put the cap on. There we go, you guys. Here is my smoothie. I have my smoothie. We're about to finish packing and all that stuff. If you guys are interested in the Teamy Beauty Butterfly Collagen, I do have a coupon code. It's the same coupon code for the mask, Madi15, for 15% off your guys' order. So we're going to try the clothes on now. I'm going to try on the 3 bikinis. We're also going to go in this bikini drawer, and then there's actually like a few more that I want to bring. I think I really do want to bring that maroon one just because I really am into that color right now. But then this is also very fun. This like green leopard, whatever. I don't know. I have so many. Like, there's literally so many in here. So we're gonna go through this in a sec. I think I want to first try this one on because I've had this swimsuit for forever. Like, literally like 2 years, and I've just never worn it. I had this swimsuit for years, and I've just never like worn it, used it for anything. Like, as you can see, like the tag is still on it. It's basically like this really cute dark green velvet little thing. I'm very obsessed with this dark green velvet color. Just dark green. I don't know, I'm really into it, especially with like the gold jewelry, the black hair. I just think that this color, you know, kind of just like sits well on me. It's super cute, and you know, it also makes my butt look really good too. This is what this swimsuit is. I think she is so cute and so girly. It's just white, but it has like that little like peeps of pink, which is super cute. Again, just makes my butt look really good. Super cute and just very flattering. I don't know, just like in like the sand, a cute little like innocent sand picture. And then the sunglasses, I have these 2 pairs of sunglasses right here. I think that this would be really like the whole like neutral-esque look. These are from Mink Pink, I think. Yeah, I think these are from like Mink Pink, I'm not sure. But we have these sunglasses. I also have these really chunky brown ones from Fashion Nova, which I kind of think actually these are more like the vibe for this. Time for the next look. So we have this little like blue swimsuit vibe or whatever. I've had this swimsuit for literally forever, and I don't know, I just like see it with this, like just like a little like Instagram picture with like just like this little like white shirt on top of it. I don't know, I just like see them together. Coming in the swimsuit drawer, the goodies drawer. This drawer is honestly really fun. Like, this was my dream. Whenever I was like 13 years old and I would always go to my friend's houses like swimming, I only had like 1 swimsuit and they had so many, and this was like literally my dream come true. I wish my younger self would have known that my future self would have had this. I think I really like this one right here. This is like a really fun snake skin printed one. She is so cute and she is so freaking hot. I literally need to like push that back behind there so we don't see it, but she's so cute and she's so hot. Okay, so like I image this like on the sand, me in this position, this type of position, or like this type of position, something like that on the beach in this swimsuit. This is just one of those swimsuits where I feel like that's just what it would work as, you know? I also just think that like this white cover up would literally just be so cute on top of it. Again, this white cover up is just really cute. It's actually just like a white see-through white shirt. I think these are my new favorite sunglasses. I'm literally addicted to them. I just feel like they make me feel so bougie and just like, hey. So I decided to add this red one and this green one to the collection. So we're going to be bringing these three plus this green one right here, which is like this green leopard one, and then this like fire truck red one, and it's like, I don't know, like this, what the frick kind of material is this? I don't know what material this is. Like, you can just see for your eyes. I cannot figure out the word for it. So honestly, like last year I bought these little like travel organizer type thing. I have lost some, but this is just 5. And they're basically just little like compartments that you put your clothes in, and it just helps organize your clothes. These make packing and organization so just amazing. I enjoy Baecation, but I don't enjoy Baecation for the fact of living out of a suitcase. I just cannot do it. I do not like it. If I have to live out of a suitcase, at least everything needs to have a place. It needs to be organized. It cannot just be combined in like a mess. It just cannot be a mess, or else I can't do it. I got these from Yes Style. I'm going to have a link in the description box down below, their website as well as a coupon code. I do have a coupon code with them so you guys can get money off of your purchase. Got all 6 of my swimsuits right in this container, everything right there, and it just, look at it, it's just like so, it's gonna be so nice and organized. As far as clothing items, this is what I have picked out so far. So I have this little like Fashion Nova 2-piece set that I got. I'll insert like a little like image of like me like trying it on, like the try on haul. I don't feel like trying it on right now because I already know what it looks like and I do like it. This right here I have never worn either, but I'll insert an image of like what the model looks like wearing it. I think I'm gonna bring this for one of like the more nighttime looks, as well as this like neon orange dress, which I've never worn, from Hot Miami Styles. I've literally talked about this dress so many different times. It's incredible. I got a new sunglass like travel organizer because every single time that I travel, I usually just like throw my sunglasses in my suitcase just like any type of way, and it risks breaking them, you know. None of them have ever broken, thankfully, but like it risks breaking them, and so I got a protective case and I'm so excited to show you guys. But this is what it looks like. It's black. It's like a little like glass thing, and then it opens and you are able to fit 8 pairs of sunglasses in it. You can also put your jewelry in it as well, but I actually got a jewelry holder as well, which I'm super excited to show you guys because I've never had a jewelry holder. I usually literally, how I travel with my jewelry is I usually just stick it in the purse that I'm currently using, so then it doesn't get lost or anything like that, and it's always on me. So I got this little black velvet case right here from Amazon as well, and it just looks like this. You can hang it, and it has all these different compartments. It has a compartment up here. I'm probably gonna put like bigger necklaces up here, or maybe even like chunky earrings. We have this earrings, and then this is like a little like ring slot, so you undo these and then put your rings on them. This little section right here, I honestly don't know what these are for. I think like necklaces or like rings or something. I don't know, something. You're holding something with these. And then there's like a little thing, and then again another little clear pouch for like big necklaces or whatever. So we got both of these items for traveling. Literally, they're so convenient. I haven't used them yet, but I'm super excited. So there's already 2 pairs of sunglasses that I want to add to our little thing. These brown ones, we are definitely bringing them because I love them with the swimsuits, and I think they're just gonna be really cute with the outfits. So you just put them in there like that. It's so nice. And then these ones I think would be really pretty, honestly, like with this dress. It's like a little night look. So we're also going to stick these in here. My sunglasses are honestly low-key extremely like dusty right now. I need to dust them, but this is my little sunglass type of thing. And then I also have some more sunglasses that like do not fit like right in here. I need like a black pair, so I'm definitely bringing these ones. These ones right here are from Fashion Nova. I brought these on my last trip and I just love them. They're so cute. These guys right here are really fun because they're kind of like see-through, so if you have makeup on, like you can kind of ish see your makeup like in a way. I don't know, I love these. I got these from, I think these are from Sunglass Spot, which I think that's the website that you can get like $5 sunglasses. I have these little like black half sunglasses, which I think are from Forever 21. They just look like this, and then they're completely cut off at the top. Does that look too small for my face? I can't tell. I think I have like a large face, and I don't know if this is gonna work. So these are the ones that we have in there so far, and then I'm just going to be adding these ones and then these ones, and then honestly I don't have an 8th pair that I want to bring. Okay, so I finished packing up my jewelry organizer. This is basically just what it looks like. So up here I put like my custom hoop earrings, and then just some more hoop earrings, just some earrings. We have some rings, some more hoop earrings. We have my like Madison necklace, And then I also have these gold necklaces that I'm bringing along. And then down here are just my silver and then my gold chain, as well as some gold earrings. But yeah, this is basically all the jewelry that I'm going to be bringing. I need to pick out a perfume. I don't really know what perfume I want to do. I think I'm probably just gonna go for YSL just because that's like a go-to. The packing is officially complete. Just packed up my makeup, it's over there, everything is done. As of now, I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like me to do more videos like this. I'm going to have the one that I did last year linked in the description box down below so you guys can, like, you know, see and all that stuff. Make sure you guys check out the Teamy mask and the Teamy collagen. You guys can use my code Maddie15 for 15% off of your guys' order, off of anything off the site. Go check out their website. Seriously, you guys, like, there's so many different products on there. There's so much to browse from. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat and Twitter and all that stuff if you guys want to see like what I'm doing on my vacation and all that stuff. Make sure you guys turn on my post notifications so you guys be notified when I post this vlog. I always have people messaging me being like, oh my god, I didn't even know you posted a video, like I never got notified. So make sure you guys click the bell. If you do not click the bell, then it's not always going to be guaranteed that you're going to see my video pop up on your home feed or your subscription box even though I posted. So yeah, I love you guys so much and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.